Welcome back to the Small Lab channel, everyone. Today I have a very exciting Python library to share with you guys, and it's called Unsloth-mlx. It allows you to fine-tune LLMs on your Mac with Apple Silicon. And actually, this is not something new because you can already use MLX library to do this. But what is exciting about this is that it allows you to use unslot code syntax to do the fine tuning on your Mac. And then later on, when you want to do this, on the cloud using CUDA computers, you can still use the same code, but then scale up using NVIDIA GPUs, which is really nice. As we can see here, if we look at Y unslot MLX, you can see that this is the code for the unslot CUDA machine. And then when you switch to Unsloth MLX, all you needed to do is just put this, underscore MLX to the library, and then you can use everything else. The class name, the imports, everything is the same. So you only change this part at the top of the code, and then you can scale to CUDA computers. It's really nice. And I'll show you guys how easy it is to run this Unsloth MLX. So let's look at how to clone this Git repo, right? We can copy this. Currently, the Python library is not yet on PyP, so you cannot pip install it from the PyP. But what you can do is you can git clone, and it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys how to do this. So let's pull up a terminal, for example, and then I will pick desktop as my destination for the folder. Then I'm gonna paste git clone here. So I'm gonna clone this thing, and then later on I'm gonna cd inside this folder. And after that, I can, create like a new virtual environment using UV, pip install, and then do this E. Just follow what is shown on the display on the left. So now that I have everything, let's look at the folder. So now that we have like this available, we have the docs, we have the examples. So we have example Python codes, right? So what's really awesome is that we can just UV run, and then we can do like, put the path to the Pythons. So let's say we just do a simple loading. So this is just gonna, it's finally showing up. So we are downloading Llama 3.1 1B, just testing, like loading the simple model. And it's downloading from the Hugging Face, so it's gonna take a bit of time. This is just an example, right? So this thing is doing the model loading, and then we can continue to do other things, like let's say we are doing the second example, so it's doing LoRa configuration. Simple. What else? We can do like inference as well. So let's see. We are doing inference and we get like what is capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. Okay. And then we're gonna do next. I think let's try doing like real training test, which is number 6. So we're gonna run this. And then it's loading the model, setting up the LoRa's and everything, started training, calculating the loss, and we done. You see how simple that is? So we have all the examples here already. All we needed to do is just, we can always just look at the hyperparameters and then change it. And this is gonna be really nice because you can test everything on your local machine first. And then when you're confident, you can scale this code up by running it on the cloud with CUDA computers.